Hey everyone! In this video, we'll fix the issue where the network settings are not showing on your LG Smart TV. Method 1. Restart your LG TV. Unplug your LG TV from the wall. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often brings back missing settings. Method 2. Check for software update. Press the settings button on your remote. Go to All Settings, General, About this TV. Select Check for updates. If there's a new update, install it. Outdated firmware can cause menu glitches. Method 3. Reset location and time. Go to All Settings, General, Location, and set your correct country. Then go to Time and Date, and make sure it's accurate. Incorrect settings may hide or disable network options. Method 4. Use the Home Dashboard. Press the Home button on your remote. Scroll and open Home Dashboard. Try accessing network settings from there. If it works, your network option is active but hidden in the main settings. Method 5. Factory Reset, last option. Go to All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. This will reset everything and bring back missing menu options. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more LG Smart TV fixes.